You have heard about affirmation while watching manifestation videos, but have you ever wondered whether all those things that we have heard from so many videos are true, or do they work? And sometimes I even see people saying that this does not work, or the affirmations cannot change our life. It's useless. Manifestation does not work, and many other things. What if I tell you that all of your questions will be answered through this video? Well, I am doing that today. Today, we're unveiling the incredible art of manifestation using just phrases. Those simple words, the phrases you use in your daily life. The way you speak to yourself can become your magic wand, bringing positivity and success into your life. This isn't just some woo-woo concept. There's real science behind it. Positive affirmations can rewire your brain, reprogramming it to focus on the good stuff. It's like training a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Many people often say that sometimes they attract the things that they don't want in their life. You keep repeating the things that you don't want, thinking that you will manifest the scenario that you don't want. Here, let me be more clear. Sometimes you get so insecure about the things happening in your life and you do not want to feel that feeling. Maybe it's about a business. Let me take a clear example for you all. Let's say you wanted a driver's license and you have been working hard for that. You wanted that license so bad that you start thinking about all the things you do not want to happen. In your head, you will be like, I do not want to fail this exam. I do not want to make mistakes in emergency brakes. I should not be nervous, and so on. And that is exactly why you and I make a mistake. We focus on the things that we do not want so much that we end up manifesting the same scenario that we do not want. You ended up having the same things in your life, and that's because you spoke it to the non-physical world. You focused on not wanting the things so much that the universe gave whatever you thought of. See, the magic of manifestation and the law of attraction is that you attract whatever you think of. In the book, The Secret, written by Rhonda Byrne, the author mentions this amazing thing that says, the universe does not understand the concept of negative words. The universe does not understand, I don't want, I don't have, or not. These kinds of words, while manifesting the universe, do not capture. We only attract what we say to the universe. The universe only listens to the things you say. If you try to put out the words to the universe that you don't want, it will only provide you the life that you don't want. Just like the example I mentioned earlier about the driver's license. You focused on the things that you did not want. You ended up with the same scenario in your real life. The words you used created your reality. So the questions raised: how do we manifest? How do we use affirmation? What kind of self-talk we should be doing with ourselves, or how to talk with others as well? See, your words hold the power. You have the power to speak to the universe and attract anything you want. And when I say anything, I mean everything. The power we send to the universe through vibrations, frequencies, through the words we use in our daily life has immense power, and I will be teaching you all of this today in this video. Before we begin, you should understand your words, the way you speak, and everything that is coming out of your mouth. The things you think in your mind. The way you talk to yourself has astonishing power. The way you talk to yourself matters. People are often seen scolding themselves for making some mistake, or they make that regret sound on every little thing that inconveniences them. All of these tiny little things decide the way you shape your world. The desired reality. We all deserve a life of happiness and abundance. We deserve prosperity. We deserve love. And we have the power to create the world that we want. We have the power of God. God is within us. And we are the co-creators of the life we live. Everything till now we have manifested everything either consciously or subconsciously. With the power of God, the power of the universe, we have the strength and abilities to create anything. Turn our desires into reality by just using phrases. We can change the way we talk to ourselves, the way we talk to the universe. The non-physical world helps to shape the life we live, the reality we create. So, here we begin. First, you all have to understand that we all are the creator of our own life. And the mistake people often do is they do not know how to talk to the universe, how to send vibrations and frequencies to the divine reality they wished for. And if you want to know, then you can watch my previously uploaded video. I have mentioned the linked description. So about the mistake people make when we manifest or use the law of attraction. We attract what we think. We attract what we speak. As I previously mentioned, the universe does not understand the concept of negative words, like don't or not. So rather than thinking about the scenarios you don't want, think about the things you do want. The universe will grant you what you think. You will attract what you think and speak. So if you speak ill, you will attract more ill in your life. Now, how to avoid attracting such scenarios in your life then? Let's get back to the driver's license example. Before you created the scenario in your brain that you do not want, and you got exactly that. You attract what you think. So you attracted failure. Now you should use only positive reinforcement. Instead of thinking about what you might fail, think about what you can succeed. I know we cannot avoid things that come up in our mind, but we can practice and change those negative thoughts into positive ones. Instead of thinking, I do not want to make a mistake while making an emergency brake, think of I will pass the emergency brake test. Don't say it is difficult or it's tough, because if you do so, you will find it difficult and you will attract more difficulties in the process. Rather say it's easy and I succeeded. I passed the test. Live in the future. Don't even use the word will. Turn them into powerful present tense phrases. Instead of I will be successful, say I am wildly successful in everything I do. Make them short, sweet, and specific, because you are hoping things to happen. Live in the future and talk to yourself. Talk and speak as if you have already given the driver's license exam and you have already passed it. Say it easy, and I got my license. I did it, and I got my license. How you address yourself mirrors how you communicate with the divine. The faith you hold in the universe's responsiveness to your desires reflects the belief you place in yourself. Interestingly, the power to shape your reality lies within you, akin to a divine force. Consider this. You possess an inner divinity, the power of God, and with it, the ability to shape the world according to your wishes. You wouldn't use negative language when addressing the divine, right? Yet, somehow, many of us are quick to criticize and belittle ourselves. We rarely question the plans of the divine, often attributing them to a higher purpose. So, why do we treat ourselves any differently? Why do we allow frustration and anger to seep into our self-dialogue? Just as we trust in God's plan, we should trust in our journey. Let's be as kind and considerate to ourselves as we are to the divine. Always remember, manifestation is the acceptance of the unseen. You are bringing those thoughts and desires into your world. It is your responsibility to transform them into your lived experience. The horizon of possibilities is reserved for those who have steadfast trust in the magnificence of their goals. Reframe your internal dialogue to be more positive. Develop and share positive self-affirmations. Remember that affirmative language is most efficiently processed by the universe. Rather than focusing on what you don't have, focus on your objectives and aspirations.